Okay, so what we're going to need is some nice thin long bits of hazel, so probably about a 2 metre length, no thicker than your finger, your little finger that is. So we're going to have a look through here. See, these are looking like new growth, so they're going to be a lot more greener and more whippy. That's a nice thin one as well. Bit of a kink in it though down there. So we're going to go for the straightest ones. So we'll have a look around the other trees as well. So this is a hazel, that's a hazel, hazel, hazel. We'll have a look around these and see what we can find. This one is looking good as well. And it wires off right at the top. This one here. Oh, what's this one? Perfect. That's perfect. Then let's take you. Yeah, so if we look at that, it's relatively straight, not too many branches on it, and it's nice and long for what we're about to do. So today we're going to have a little go at making a wreath for Christmas. So I've gone out and got some hazel. So this is nice and whippy hazel, not too many branches or forks on it, and you want something nice and long, 2 to 3 metres long. So I'm going to go along, I'm going to remove all of the branches off of it. Cut the wrong way. So we'll make it as smooth as possible because there's less stuff to snag. Yeah, so this one's covered in berries, this one hasn't got any, because this is a male and this is a female, because they're dioecious apparently. So holly berries, can you eat them? No, you can't. I reckon it will take about 9 to poison a child, if you know if you want to add it to your list of things to do. Yeah, it's about, so if a little kid is eating these, yeah, if you suspect they've eaten more than 9, then it's a trouble. It's not an incentive to go out and poison children, just to make that clear. Okay, so another thing, higher up or where the wind hits it, the leaves are much more waxy. That doesn't look like a traditional holly leaf, does it? But further down, where animals attack it and the wind hits it more, it looks more like a holly leaf. So the holly will protect itself by growing tougher leaves at the bottom and softer leaves at the top. So, such as this, but I want to try and find the more traditional spiky leaves because they just look a bit better, because they don't look like holly leaves, do they? So I'm going to find some more lower down, more aggressive looking leaves with berries. These don't look bad, but there's a lack of berries, so we're going to have a little hunt around for a minute and I'll bring you back. Okay, so we're going to add some ivy in to bulk it up. There's some ivy here with some seed heads on as well. Go up here, so plenty to spare. So we'll get some nice long bits of this, and then we can weave those in, and then we'll put the holly over the top of that.
All these logs, Bruce, for when we start.
Right, so here it is. So we've got a hazel ring wrapped with ivy, wrapped with holly, and I've also got a little bit of mistletoe in there, because mistletoe keeps away evil spirits and stops them crossing your threshold, apparently. So this is more like a good luck Yule charm, very pagan influenced. So there you go. One holly wreath done.